Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full review tutorial swatches on the brand new collection that Glamlite just dropped. I was so lucky enough to receive the entire PR collection, and honestly I wasn't even planning on getting it. I don't even think that I'm on their PR list, but they reached out to me one night. I was on the couch sitting with Lonnie. I think we were watching a movie or something, and I just got a DM from Glamlite. They're like, hey, we want to send you our entire happy hour collection. I was like, my jaw literally dropped. Lonnie, she was like, what's wrong, mom? I'm like, oh my gosh, this company is just sending me all this makeup. So anyways, here I am to do swatches on all the palettes for you guys. If you don't know who Glamlite is, they are a Latina owned brand. This is the same brand that collaborated with Michaela and came out with that super bomb palette. So they have the chocolate martini, the dirty martini, and then they also have the margarita palettes, and then the wine palette, which is this one right here. The packaging is super cute. It's just, like it says, a happy hour collection. With the collection, they also launched two highlighters. This one is the Mimosa and the Piña Colada highlighter, as well as some lipsticks, which obviously I am going to swatch them all. There's 5 liquid lipsticks and I think 1 or 2 lip glosses in here. I will be going over prices and everything, and like I said, I will also be including a tutorial. So I hope you guys are ready for today's video. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And with that said, I don't want to ramble on too much, so you guys get ready because this is going to be a very fun review and tutorial. And grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's review, swatches, and tutorial. So here is the entire collection. Really quickly, I just want to go over pricing and the product itself. So you can actually purchase the happy hour full collection with VIP cocktail shaker, which I received a little cocktail shaker. I don't drink, but I'm going to keep it just for memories. That one retails for $189, and then if you just want the happy hour collection, which includes the both of the highlighters, the entire palettes, and the lipsticks, that one is retailing for $179. And if you want the 4 palette bundle, then you get it for a price of $129 each. Now, if you just want to buy one palette individually, the prices on these are $35 a piece. And then for the happy hour lipstick, it is $32, and then the highlighters are $14 a piece. The packaging, I think, is really cute. I know that Glamlite is very well known for their packaging. Why does my hair look all crazy? They always do really cute like packaging. So this is what it looks like. This is the Dirty Martini palette. I will be inserting swatches as I show you the palette. Sorry, that's so loud. This one has to be one of my favorites for me. I love greens. I think they're very complementary to my skin tone. And as you can see, this one, you get tons of shades, like 50 shades of green. It's really pretty. The shades claim to be very buttery and matte. Also, this brand is vegan and cruelty-free, in case you guys are wondering. And this is the Margarita palette, which is really pretty. And when you open it, this one says tequila. This is what the Tequila Margarita palette looks like. She is very colorful, very bright, very spring and summer appropriate. I don't think I will use this palette today, but I'm definitely going to save it for the future for upcoming tutorials. Even though it's not like spring or summer anymore, you guys, if you watch me, you know that I love doing colorful looks, and this palette just, oh my gosh, it has so many vibrant and beautiful colors. So I'm definitely going to be saving this palette for another time, but not for today. This is the chocolate martini. How cute is this? Like, when I opened this, I knew this was going to be one of my favorites. It's such a pretty neutral palette. It has very nice, like, warm taupey colors. It has like a deeper wine brown. I don't know. It's just a very chocolate appropriate palette. Really pretty. The colors just look so rich and creamy. This shade Irish Cream looks so pretty. I don't know, I'm in between Dirty Martini or this palette because both of these are just so cute. And how do you decide between two amazing palettes? How? The last palette is the wine palette. Now, if I ever am in the mood for a little drink, wine would probably be my best option, but even then, I'm not really into alcohol anymore. This is the palette, and this is what it looks like. Obviously, it's all purple. It is so pretty. I love purple eyeshadow. It's my absolute favorite. I just did a tutorial using a purple, so I don't want to use another purple, but I'm definitely going to play with this palette because if you have brown eyes, honestly, I feel like purple complements so many colored eyes. or color of ice, and all the purple shades that you can think of, this palette has it. So, all right, so let's take the shade Dry Vermouth. Dry Vermouth. It's this really pretty deep, true olive green. And I'm going to take that on a clean brush, something like this, to pack it on. Oh my goodness. Pigment overload. I worked on this eye off camera a little bit just so I can get an idea of what I wanted to do, and my gosh, you guys, this palette is beyond beautiful. Okay, so right here I left off with just the shade Dry Vermouth. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a little bit of Garnish, and I am going to just blend that shade into the very crease. I'm also going to take a little bit of Dirty Martini. This shade is probably my favorite from the entire palette. It is so pretty, and I'm using this as like the last transitional shade. This kind of reminds me of the color of Baby Yoda, which I am obsessed with that shade. I bought Lincoln this little like Baby Yoda outfit. It's like sweatpants and a hoodie. Oh, so cute. And then to deepen up things, I took the shade Extra Dirty. This one looks like a brown, but as you lay it down, it's definitely green. It is such a unique color. Do you see how it just turns green? It's so crazy. I love it. And I am taking it in, but not all the way, just kind of like stopping halfway. And I'm just using this little packing brush to pack on the color. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my glitter glue from JCat Beauty. I'm not going to cut the crease. I'm just going to dab this glitter glue all over. I'm just going to use a little flat brush that I have going on here. And I'm just going to pat it right in here. I'm going to go in with the shade Vodkatini, which is a gorgeous bright green. For the inner part of the eye, I'm going to take the shade High Class, which is a green undertone. And I'm going to take that right in here. Oh my goodness. These colors are so pretty. The pigment is insane, you guys. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and finish this look. But I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara, lashes off camera, and we can come back and finish it off with the lips and the highlighter. Lashes are on. I decided to do a wing liner. I am using the ABH liquid eyeliner. I had not used this in a while. I actually could not find it, and I just found it. And then I'm using the bold face lashes in the style Bold Edit. These are really pretty. For the lips, I've lined them with the KKW Nude 2 lip liner. It's one of my favorites. Now I'm going to take the shade Rum, and I'm going to apply that as my liquid lipstick, and then we can top it off with a lip gloss. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, that is so comfortable. That is really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to use my finger to tap it out. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? I love that. Okay, let's add a little bit of lip gloss. This is the Irish Cream. It is a little lighter. So we're going to add that to the center of the lips. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, come on. Just for fun, I want to add a little bit of the vodka shade just to the center of the lips to give me like an extra like pouty look. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. Okay, I think I am ready for highlighter. I am going to try them both out because, hello, we're doing a full review. So let's go in with Mimosa. Again, this is more of a yellow golden highlight. And I am going to take that. Oh. Okay, these are extremely, extremely pigmented, so proceed with caution. Get out of here. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. How? Wow. If you are deeper complexion, this highlight is going to look so pretty on your skin. Okay, now I have to do it to this side. I take a tiny, tiny bit. Do you guys see that? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Piña Colada, which is that more white highlight. And let me put some on the tip of my nose first. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, these are crazy pigmented, you guys. And this white highlight actually really complements my skin tone. I thought it was gonna be too icy, but no. And here is the completed look. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think of this look? What do you guys think of this happy hour collection by Glamlite? I am so happy. Like, I don't think I've been excited for an entire launch like this in quite some time. And I am just shook by everything. The palette was amazing. All of the other palettes swatched so beautifully. So I know the consistency is going to be consistent through and through. So 10 out of 10 for me. The liquid lipsticks, the lip glosses are, oh my gosh, just chef's kiss. They're super soft and they're a little bit on the liquidy side, but they're comfortable on the lips. Like, they don't feel heavy. The lip glosses don't feel goopy. They just feel like so moisturizing. And for me, the cherry on top has to be the highlighters. These are so pretty. Definitely a must if you are looking for really blinding highlighters. But other than that, you guys, this collection was such a huge win for me. I'm not just saying this because I got these in PR. Like, the products speak for themselves. Even if I would have bought this collection with my own money, like, I'm impressed. So definitely check Glamlite out. I feel like they need a lot of love here on YouTube, and I will be definitely using these palettes, or the rest. I will definitely be using their palettes in the future. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm so excited to talk to you guys and just talk about makeup. So thank you all so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!